Hello, in this video we will convert the given data into a scatter plot. Okay, so what is scatter plot? A scatter plot represents a group of points scattered all over x and y axis. By observing how the points are scattered, we can understand overall relation between them. That means to know the relation between the two columns. Suppose if you take this employee.csv, if you want to know the relation between these two columns, age and salary, age should be represented as x and a salary should be represented as y here. So to know the relation between these two columns, we have to draw this scatter plot here. Okay, so it is also similar like a line graph, but it represents as a data points here. Okay, like this, it shows points here, whereas line graph shows the line here. Okay, line graph gives the line here, and here the scattered points just scatter all over x and y axis here. Okay, by observing that, we have to understand what kind of relation between the two columns. With simple example, we can program 1, write a program to create a scatter plot to show the ages and prices of the houses in Hyderabad. Write a program to create a scatter plot to show the ages and price of houses in Hyderabad. Means we have to find the what kind of relation between the age of the houses and the price of the house in Hyderabad. Okay, so we have to take these two data, take age and price values as x and y coordinates, age value and this price value and x and y coordinates, and we have to draw the scatter plot for that one. Okay, so age and price. So to draw the scatter plot, we have to use a scatter function from the library, Matplotlib scatter function. So this in scatter function we have to pass the age and pass parameters here, age, price, right? And if you want to give color, give color equal to red. Okay, so and just show means display to display graph here, we have to use the show function, right? So okay, just execute it now. See, we got here. Okay, so observe here. So actually it's by default it's in circle shape. I want in diamond shape. For that we have to use the marker parameter here. Okay, marker parameter. If you want your data points in these data points, these are called data points at this circle shapes. Okay, if you want in diamond shape, you have to use this marker parameter. In marker parameter we have to pass just d for diamond here. Okay, see, we got the diamond shape here. Suppose if you want in plus symbol like shape, like you have to use plus here. Simple. Observe, we got the plus here. Okay, by default it takes circle O shape. Okay, I am giving diamond here for marker parameter. Okay, simple as that. And you know, if you want to give the x label, y label, just plot dot x label. Okay, age of the, here x means age of the house here. Okay, and y label is a price, right? Price of the house, and give some title here, whatever title, plot dot title, whatever title you give. Age and price, give some any give age and price of Hyderabad, age and price of the house of the Hyderabad. Okay, age and price of Hyderabad, house of Hyderabad, and give Hyderabad here. Simple, whatever title you can give here. Simple. If you want to give title your scatter plot, just use title function here. Okay, okay, we got the age here, price, age and price of Hyderabad. So by looking at this scatter plot here, scatter plot here, so we can, by increasing age here, we can find out that the price of the house is decreasing. Okay, so increasing the age of the house, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 2 years, 4 years, 6 years, 8 years, 10 years, 12 years, the price of the house is decreasing here, 120, 100k. Okay, in lakhs here. Okay, 120 lakhs, 110 like that is decreasing. You can 2 years has more price, and whereas 2 years has somewhat less price. Okay, so depending upon by overall, okay, by overall it decreasing, by if age increases. Okay, so that kind of relation between there, if age increases of the house and price decreases in the, price decreases here. Okay, if age increases, price decreases. This kind of relation between age and price. If you want to know that kind of relationship, you have to draw the scatter graph, or you can draw the line graph also. It doesn't matter, whatever you draw it. Okay, line graph also represents the relation between the two columns. Okay, relation between the two columns here, right? And that's about the scatter plot. And next video we will see the SeaBorn library graphs. Okay, here the scatter plot is a Matplotlib library belongs to this scatter plot function. And if you want to draw SeaBorn graphs, you have to use the SeaBorn library. we'll see in the next video. Okay, what are the SeaBorn graphs? Okay.